show you another latest algorithm of quantile regression, which is developed into a program in Stata. This model is called XTPQCS. It's panel quantile regression with common shocks. So you can install it using SSE install XTPQCS. So I have opened the help manual here. So the advantage of this model is that it is proposed by um, Chiang, Galvo and Wei in 2026, which is using the Conquer 2004 algorithm. The advantage of this model is that it remains consistent in the presence or absence of pervasive common time shocks that induce arbitrary cross-section dependence. Means this model can be used if there is cross-section dependence. So we'll start with the example are shown here. Details are here. It can plot the coefficient, it can give the coefficients and then plot the coefficients also. So examples are here. So I'm using some standard equation, my data. So I will click this example. So first of all, you have to declare itself as a panel data, then XTPQCS, DB and IVs and ID and here. So when you run it, it will estimate for median. Okay, and if you want to estimate for certain other positions, you can request the code. You can see it here. So let me show here. So let's say you want to estimate for different positions. So what you can do is you can add quantile and different positions. Okay, so this is the way you can do it. Okay, and now you can see it here, the coefficients are significant and it is using this standard error type, which makes it robust. Now we just select it and just write plot at the end. What it will do, it will estimate for 5 positions, 10 percentile, 25 percentile, 50, 75, and 90, and then plot the coefficients. So let the plot complete, then I will show you the results. So these are the coefficients that you can see. You can press edit and update the names if you want. And then you can see it's very highly detailed. The blue ones, the red ones are robust standard error and the blue ones are classical standard errors. So you can see this variable becomes insignificant if they use classical standard error. This becomes also insignificant in some places with classical standard error. These variables are significant in both cases. So this is the model that you can estimate. The advantage is that it is robust to cross-section dependence.